Hey, welcome back. I'm Al Cox, and this. Hey, welcome back. I'm Al Cox, and this is How to Buildbox. Last time we finished going through some of the basics of the scene editor, specifically. Yeah, we skipped the monetization. Uh, last time we were talking about the character and all the features that go with that, such as bounce force, jump force, and today we're going to continue on that topic, talking about character custom components. So let me just go ahead and open one of these demos. Let's go with Square Stacker. I think this one's cool. Okay, here we have, name, collision shape. Oh, snap. This one's got a lot of connections. What are they? Connection. Yeah. Character custom components. So we got collision shape, animation, linear velocity. Let's see what character we have. We have this guy. This character goes back and forth. Here, let me just show you in case you don't know. And then boom, this appears. See how it's too sensitive. All right. Got the linear velocity, angular velocity. Is that all here on the right side? I feel like it's supposed to be right here. Advanced move. Advanced move. Look at that. Okay, angular. I don't know what. Like, did you just put it in an angle and then it moves at like a 45-degree angle? See, this I don't think is the best example because it's, I think, on this fixed little line here. Timeout, how many seconds after triggering does this move stop? Cool. Oh, yeah, I wonder. Yeah, so like maybe wait like a second, 2 seconds. See if that does anything. No, no, no. Must be for something else somewhere else. Okay, damage. Yeah, this all makes sense. Damage delay, how long till the above damage is inflicted? That's interesting. Where? Oh, these are the advanced moves. So if I like went down here, add component advanced move, here it is, and I think you can change. No. Delete. These are just options. Where is damage? There's timeout, and damage. Maybe it's up here. It's somewhere. That I'm pretty sure. Let's try a different game. Maybe this game the character doesn't take damage or something. Yeah, platformer. I think let's just go with that. Oh, I got this lit up. Okay, there, that looks better. Still, hopefully we can talk about the show game frame sometime. Okay, character. Where's the damage at? It's right here. It was part of the add component. Okay, yeah. Good test. Hope you were paying attention because there is a test after this. If I'm not careful, this thing's gonna make me fall on my ass. Okay, yeah, damage. Yeah, so that makes sense. Health, yep. So these are all pieces of the add component. Health, yep. Live animation, rotation mapper, animate the animation to show while rotating. Okay. What? When are you rotating and why? Why? Hmm. Ghost jump sounds cool. Maybe that's a cool name. Ghost jump. All right. Velocity vector. Velocity vector to add to current movement when game jumping. Jump gravity. Gravity imposed on jump while in action. This isn't making any sense to me, but maybe when I'm using it. Values greater than 1 will be faster than normal. I would love to see like an example. Jump timeout, jump duration. Yeah, I can add a ghost jump. All right, so anyways, I added a ghost jump. This removes this damage. Looks like, let me just hit play, see what happens. Oh man, see, I don't like, yeah. Okay, cool. So regular game type stuff. Let's see if I could add a ghost jump. Velocity vector to add to current movement when jumping. Let's make it 150. Gravity imposed on jump while in action. Let's make it 500. I pick really high numbers just so I can see if there's some kind of reaction. I feel like if I made like a low number change, then I wouldn't be able, like maybe there would be a difference, but I just couldn't see it. So the higher the number, the more I'm like, oh, it does that. Now, while I don't know what jump velocity and jump gravity specifically does, I have an idea because I read Reddit. So it says velocity increases the velocity when you're jumping. So like maybe after the jump, and jump gravity, like when in jump mode, I think these take effect. That's what I'm thinking, what it kind of sounds like, and let's take a look. Yeah, so this looks exactly like what it was doing before. So, I don't know. Do I have to like impose it on, right? I mean, it didn't look any different. Is there a jump? Jump from ground. Yeah, let me try editing. No, let's jump speed. I'm gonna add 10. Jump duration. Jump timeout. Oh, jump timeout. Time taken for jump to timeout and lose power. Okay, so I think that scenario is when you use a jump and you have to wait to use it again, and what happens while you're waiting. I think that's what it sounds like, right? Okay, jump duration, time taken to execute jump. That's interesting. So that means like I would time taken to execute. So if I hit jump, it takes 2 seconds to execute. I mean, I don't exactly understand when you would want something like that. Usually, yeah. See, I'm pressing it right now. I mean, I'm suspect that this is even making changes to, like, what was this? 100. This was 50. Oh, no, this is XY. XY. Okay, XY, XY. So add 100. Add, yeah. Cause so that was like jumping on the Y direction, and then so this should be jumping on the X. It looks the same. I don't. 500 jump gravity. 500. Yeah, I wish something different would happen, but I'm probably not, definitely not doing it right. Maybe active on release. Maybe you have to activate it. I want to add 150. Add 150. So I mean, I feel like that's a little bit higher. Ooh, weird. Right, that's higher, isn't it? Here, let's take a look. Okay, so if I'm over here, and then I jump and go to the right, I land there. Okay. And then let's just add 5 to this. I mean, yeah, it looks the same. I'm not making headway. All right, well that's okay. I mean, still learning this, so just means I have more to learn. We have more to learn. All right, let's keep moving. Connections. Ah, this would be good. To set up each connection, press the highlight button above and you'll see a yellow dot at the center of each item. You know what, let's go back and open up that one. Like jump. Stack or something. Stack. Square stacker. Mouse was on it the whole time. To set up and edit connections, press the button highlighted above. You will see a yellow dot at the center of each item in the scene. To create a connection, drag and drop from the source to the destination entity's yellow dot. The source entity will be in control of the other entity. Where the source moves, the destination moves too. Okay, so that's like where this moves or this moves. I can't, let's zoom in. I don't know which one is moving. I want to say maybe it's this one because there's an arrow. Let's see. You'll see a yellow dot at the center of each item. Create a connection, drag and drop. Where the source moves, the destination. Note, if you connect an object to a character and have platform objects that are set to destroy the character, be sure that you set the parent object's health value to 1 higher than any object's damage value, even if that damage value is 0. If you do not, this will die on contact. It should be noted that connections may move about their axis if the object they are attached to is able to move. You can see this by placing 3 objects on the screen. First object fixed, second object physical, third object physical. So let's take a look at this object. This is a physical object. This is a character, which is a physical object. The second object will turn in place while the third object will swing around if pushed along the hinge. Well, let's just, here, I'll see. So this moves, but you don't see the first object. Shit, that's bad. Move right. Ah, opacity is -1. You know, I thought 0. Okay.